It is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. If you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay. And of course, guys, if you're not joining me live and direct, you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. We're on 15-minute time frame, and of course, guys, this has been on downtrend for a very long time. If you remember very well, we actually milked this particular asset till this very moment. Okay, so this has actually gotten to the support zone, and in short, it has gotten there for like 3 days now, but the movement has been so slow, guys, so slow, because I expect it to have gone far than this. Okay, so we are always having pullbacks in between, and right now it has gotten to this region trying to go back up again, and of course you can see it pulling back again. So that has been the major movement. Okay, that has been the major movement, and um after the pullback, it's going to continue with the trend. Okay, so I'm trying to highlight the support trend line. Okay, so that you will know where we expect the pullback to get to. So we expect the pullback to get to somewhere here before going back up. Okay, so this is very, very important. But if it should break out below that, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so, and of course, you should watch out for that. Okay, so this is still it is selling at the moment, but I don't expect the sell to go for long, because it is just a pullback based on what we are saying there. Okay, so it will continue with the buy signal later on. Okay, of course, let's check out the next asset, which is going to be GainX 999. Okay, so this is GainX 999. Let's check it out. GainX 999 started an uptrend earlier today, and I told us about it. And you can see it is still moving. It has achieved our first TP. Okay, and of course we still have three TPs to go. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Then the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Okay, this is Paynex 1200. It started an uptrend right from here, and it came to an end at this point. It got to the resistance zone right. I mean, at this point, and of course, came down a bit, went back up again, and of course, trying to see if it will break out above the resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. If it does not, it will switch into a downtrend, and it will sell more for a very long time. Okay, but we need to wait for the switching before we can say it will sell. So for now, it is still buying until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Let's move on to the next asset, which is going to be Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, and right here is a movement which had been on for a while. Okay, it's actually on uptrend, but there are major pullbacks in between. Okay, just the way we are seeing it right now. It has gotten to this region, and of course is having this major pullback. And if it should break out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will go back on uptrend again and try to break out above this. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity until it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when the pullback will come to an end. Okay, next asset is going to be FX volume 80. This is FX volume 80. I also gave us this signal earlier today, and of course this got to the support zone, and this is double bottom, and it's switching to an uptrend at this point. You can see it's buying right now. Okay, so this is more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, and right now it is heading towards this. Actually, I am expecting it to get to somewhere here, and if it breaks out from there, then it should get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is more okay. Sorry, I've switched my lines, so I'm just going to rearrange it so that we don't get ourselves confused whenever we are watching our videos. Okay, so and of course I'm expecting to get to somewhere here, and of course if it breaks up from here it should get to somewhere here. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying them out on your real account. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.